Hello everyone, this is a LeetCode problem, minimum number of swaps to make the string balanced. You're given a string of even length. The string consists of exactly half opening brackets and half closing brackets. A string is called balanced if and only if it is the empty string, or it can be written as AB, where both A and B are balanced strings. Or it can be written as C in a bracket, where C is a balanced string. You may swap the brackets at any two indices at any number of times. Return the minimum number of swaps to make the string balanced. Let's take a look at some examples. Example 1, we can make the string balanced by swapping index 0 with index 3. The answer is 1. Example 2, we can swap index 0 and 5, then index 2 and 3. Or swap index 0 and 5, then index 1 and 4. Both resulting strings are balanced. The answer is 2. In the example 3, the given string is already balanced. No need to swap anything, so the answer is 0. So how to solve this problem? Suppose we're given these strings. Inside the string, if some parts are balanced, there's no need to swap. Ignore the balanced part. Every problem ends up like this pattern. The optimal swap is to balance two sets of brackets instead of one using one swap. So for example 1, there are 5 sets of brackets. We can make them balanced by 3 swaps. For example 2, there are 2 sets of brackets. We can make them balanced by 1 swap. For example 3, there's 1 set of brackets. We can make them balanced by 1 swap. For the last example, no need to swap at all. The answer is 0. Let's take a look at the code. Go through the string character by character. Unbalanced represent the number of opening brackets that doesn't have a match yet. If the current character is the opening bracket, then unbalanced increment by 1. If the current character is the closing bracket and there are opening brackets waiting for the match, then we find the balanced string. Decrement the number of unbalanced by 1. This formula is the number of minimum swap. Thank you for watching.